I think a large amount of cultivators would like to be able to take the risks and run greener operations and make those investments. It's a difficult environment to operate in. In Massachusetts specifically, it's a big, onerous, expensive sector to set up a cannabis facility. By the time you've done it, you're in huge debt and you've taken on investors, and they're interested in seeing return on their investment. So that's the primary driver for a lot of these operations. The price is high, but also the cost to get in the game is very, very high. So they're just trying to pay it back and they're doing that in a conservative way possible. So shaving the wholesale price, $3,500 a pound. So taking, and you're sort of like the production cost of a pound of cannabis under traditional labor and HID is about $1,000. So they're trying to pay their loans back and they don't want to take a lot of risks at this time. Now, that's Massachusetts. That being said, where there's price compression in other markets is where we're seeing the most of the innovation. Oregon is one of those places. You have to be extremely energy efficient in Oregon to survive because their price per pound is much, much lower. It's closer, depending on the year or where their market, what state their market is in crashing, like $1,000 to $1,500. There was a time where it was $400 to $500 during when the outdoor crop comes in. So that's trying to give the cultivators perspective. Most of them agree with you. They don't like it, but they can't take those risks. On the LED side, check out something called Hayes' Law, which kind of gives you a rough idea of how quickly the efficacy of LED, the core LED technology that determines the efficiency of fixtures, is increasing. It's not Moore's Law. It's not going like this. It's starting to flatten out. That gain is still happening, but it's starting to flatten out a bit. The last 10 years is when we saw the biggest action in getting everything more efficient. Efficiency is going to come in the future in this type of indoor ag from better HVAC and better operations. That's where the biggest gains, in my view, are going to come from in the next 10 years.